Guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to withdraw money on Dream Party app easily and successfully. So let's get started. The minimum withdrawal on this app is 1 million, which is $10. So once you reach your 1 million, all you need to do is just to click on mine, then you click on your wallet, then you click on your diamond. As you can see, I am having $25 here now. You leave it on cash out, okay? If you want to withdraw with official, you click on official and choose your payment method. All right, choose your payment method. These are the payment method for official withdrawal: USDT, OPAY, and BINANCE. So me, I want to withdraw with coin seller. I'm going to leave it on to seller. Then I'm going to click on this BINANCE, choose my country because I'm going to use my local bank and withdraw. I click on Nigeria. Then I'll click on payment method. I'll choose OPAY. All right, so if you want to withdraw to seller, depending on your country, you can also click on seller and withdraw it. Okay, so I'm going to click on OPAY because it's what I'm going to use. Then I'm going to put my account information. I'm going to put my account number and my account name. All right, Apollos selling. So once you're done putting your name and your phone number, the next thing is to put the amount you want to withdraw. So guys, I'm going to withdraw $20, which is 2 million, and according to the exchange today, $1 is 1,340. So I'll be expecting 26,800, though they will take their own charges. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on withdraw. Are you sure you want to proceed with the withdrawal operation? Confirm. Then they'll ask me to set my payment password first. So you click on go. Yeah, so they're going to send OTP on my email. So I'm going to set my payment password right now. Guys, after setting your password, the next thing is to click on withdraw. Okay, enter your password. So yeah, it has gone. So I'll be waiting to receive my payment in no distant time. Your withdrawal order is awaiting review. Payment amount $20. So I'm waiting for a coin seller to pick it up. Voila guys, in less than 15 minutes I received my money. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not joined Dream Party, I don't know what you're waiting for. The link is at my comment section on my description. Bye.